Hi friends, so in the last video you saw that I tackled my shiny steering wheel. Now I need to tackle some ugly stains in the alcantara or suede. Alcantara is the company, but the stains here, I don't know what they're coming from. Hopefully they can come out. I bought some alcantara cleaner. It is from Venice. I guess it's Italian. It's a deep cleaner from Alcantara deep cleaner. Hopefully that works. And also this thing is, I guess, is to revive it. I don't know, but I'll show you this thing and then hopefully we can get it to work. There is not, you cannot see it. I wonder what happened. There, and there, and there, and there. You cannot even get it off. You can try to do it. Still there. Still feels the same, but hopefully the Alcantara cleaner gets it. Never used it before, so let's try. I'm now sprayed some on it, and I'm just trying to do this. I don't know how to actually do it, and it smells good. It smells really good. But this says spray directly on it, and I do feel like these are really, really dirty. It smells really good. Of course, none of this is sponsored. Never used it. Now let's see. We just have some clean microfiber cloth. Gotta wipe up the excess stuff. This going circular motion. I do think this is forever stained by whatever it is. But oh, it smells so good. If I do it like that, if I wipe it towards me, you can still see it. I wonder what it is. Maybe try a little bit more. We'll see. Let's see. Now I just think that it's wet because I've gone over it. Yeah, it's definitely wet. I've gone over it a few times. As you can tell, that it looks so much better. Oh my god. I've gone over the whole seat just to make sure that I cleaned Alcantara and make it look new again. I gotta clean the leather also. That's for another day. I think it looks nice. I'm actually really pleased. Yeah. That's incredible.